Okay, yeah, we got Porsche Cayenne. It's pretty nice piece of machinery. Okay, when you turn off, you hear that pleasant noise. Ignition lock faulty. If I'm gonna climb out of the car right now and lock it, the sirens will go off, so I have to wait. Man, the whole floor is like shaking in this area where the wiring is. Okay, so I pulled carpet a little bit away, and it was look how much water. It's all soaking wet here under carpet. 3 wires right here came apart. I'm going to clean with alcohol swabs. 3 wires, cramp them together. Okay, put the tape over it, put the amazing goop over it. Alright, so we got nice and beautiful day, sunny day. Took the negative wire not to drain battery, just like that. Let the air go through. Open the other door as well. Oh, look at that, this is at least like half a gallon of water here. How in the world did it even get here? Maybe from AC condensation and all that. My Porsche is soaking wet. It's a bad thing in this case. Look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry for like 3-4 hours. Okay, well, a few hours later, with some direct sun rays, she is nice and dry. Unser Dreien. Blin. Yeah, nice and dry. Okay. And the glue amazing goop also nice and stiff. Let's put the carpet back, everything together how it was. Perfect. Perfecto, perfecto. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.